Have you ever wanted to make Christmas cards but you're short on time? These only take 5 minutes to make and use just a few materials. Let me show you how. Hi crafty friends, it's Jane here from Create with Miss Jane, and today I'm making these gorgeous cards using the Reindeer Days Memories and More card pack from Stampin Up. This is where you will find the materials from the mini September to December catalogue from Stampin Up. This is where we have the Memories and More card pack, the Reindeer Days. You'll find the little card pack here. The cutest little reindeers you've ever seen. And I've made two versions of this card. One has got gold shimmer paper or glimmer paper in the background, and this one says ho ho ho, and this one says Merry Christmas, and it's got the little peppermint dots on it. This one has got the little Drusy adhesive dots. So a red version and a gold version. So let's make this card. So I'm going to go in and bring in my card base, the 6x4 one, and then I'm going to just grab some glimmer paper. All I did was cut a 1 inch by 1 inch square of glimmer paper, and then I actually just used my scissors and trimmed it down to make little triangles. I'm going to use this sentiment here. This card couldn't be any easier if we tried. So we're just going to stick the little glimmer paper. Now this is so great to use up your scraps because glitter paper is a little bit pricey per sheet, but honestly it just adds so much elegance and sparkle to your card. So I'm just going to add tiny little triangles. Just notice on my card I've put them right up against the edge of the card, so let's do that. That's what I like about adhesive tape, is that you've always got that little bit of time if you need to pick it up and then move it, adjust it a bit. This is so easy. Like kids could make these cards, they're so easy. And then we're going to grab our Stampin' Dimensionals again. We're going to flip over our card and just add our Stampin' Dimensionals. Popped the Stampin' Dimensionals down. We just adhere that to the front of the card. This couldn't be easier, guys. So simple. And then we're just going to grab a few of our mini Stampin' Dimensionals with our tweezers and then just add them to the back of this little sentiment that says "'Tis the season." Put one down here. I always use a lot of little Stampin' Dimensionals, and then peel the little backings off of them. These cards literally take about 5 minutes to make, and they're so quick and easy. Even you could do these with your kids as a fun activity. And then I'm just going to add some of the little Drusy-backed adhesive embellishments, and I always like to add 3 embellishments. Just try to pick them up with my scissors. I'm just still getting used to these paper snips from Stampin Up. Guys, look how quick and simple and pretty this card is. It literally took us 5 minutes to make it. Okay, let's make another small little card. We've made 2 big ones. So here's some examples of cute little small mini cards that we can make, and we're just going to use the little 3x4 card this time and one of the little Memories and More cards. We're going to stick this down. These are so fun because I love these gorgeous little reindeer. We're going to make sure that we eyeball this and leave that little 1/8 of an inch border all the way around, and then we're going to grab the sticker sheet. So I'm going to use this little reindeer. Just carefully pry the stickers off the sticker sheets. Add a few more Stampin' Dimensionals to the back. And this is where you need the little mini ones as well. These are just a staple in my craft room. These are gorgeous little Stampin' Dimensionals. Just makes it so easy. Just peel off all the backing and then stick them down. So this one we're going to pop just in the middle here, and then we have these beautiful little strips. So I'm going to grab this strip and then my scissors. I'm just going to cut it in half. I'm going to use 1/2 on this side and 1/2 on this side. Better together. Probably only need 2 Stampin' Dimensionals for these. So I love that you can make so many Christmas cards from just this one pack of the Reindeer Memories and More, Reindeer Fun Memories and More pack. Cute. And you could even add some little embellishments if you wanted to, but like, how simple and quick and easy are these little mini cards? They're so gorgeous. Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it. If you'd like some more of these quick, easy Christmas card tutorials or any sort of card tutorials, please let me know, because I'd love to make more in the future. And don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. See you next time.